Hi guys, this is Engineer Kevin, and on this video, magsosolve tayo ng isang time rate problem sa differential calculus. Here's the problem. A light is placed on the ground 32 feet from a building. A man 6 feet tall walks from the light towards the building at the rate of 6 feet per second. Find the rate at which the length of his shadow is changing when he is 16 feet from the building. From the given problem, una kong gagawin kung ako yan is i-draw ko na lang yung mga figures, no? So from here, meron tayong ilaw na place on the ground. So sabihin natin ito yung light source, something here. Ayan, siguro ito na lang. Light source yan. So ito, this is the ground. At ang sinabi doon is, it is placed 32 feet away from the building. So I'm just going to assume ito yung building. Ito na lang yung building. Ito, ayan. So this is 32 feet. Itong buong ito, no? So this distance and this distance is 32 feet. Ayan, nakaganyan na lang. Alright. Tapos, and a man walks towards, and a man 6 feet tall walks from the light towards the building at the rate of 6 feet per second. Ayan, find the rate at which the length of his shadow is changing when he is 16 feet from the building. So, nandito kung wala yung tao. Ayan, tapos 16 feet from the building siya. So, ito yung given na 16 feet na layo niya sa building ito. Wala dito sa kanya, no? Tapos, yung height niya is 6 feet. Ayan. Tapos, ano pa ba ang given? 32 feet. Ito yung hindi pa natin alam. Itong from the start, mula sa kanya, hindi pa natin siya alam. Ngayon, pwede natin siya sabihin x. Although it's obvious naman na 32 minus 16, itong x na to 16 din. Alright. Pwede ba natin itong kompletuhin? Actually, yes, no? Pwede, ito yung liwanag, di ba? So, pag magaganyan yan, nandito. Straight yan kung wari. Ayan. Straight yan. Straight din, somewhere here, yung shadow niya. Meaning, may nabubuo siyang shadow dito. Ayan. Ito yung shadow, itong crumple-crumple na yan. Alright, tapos itong side na ito hanggang dito sa pinakamataas na to. Ito, tsaka yung pinakamababa, pwede natin siyang gawing Y. Ayan. And kung titingnan natin, pwede tayo makabuo dito ng dalawang triangle. Two similar triangles. Try kong i-flesh out. Ito yung unang triangle. So, i-drawing ko na lang dito sa baba. Ito yung unang triangle na kung saan ito yung 6. Ito hindi natin alam. Ito X. Ayan, di ba? Yung pangalawang triangle naman ay, ano nga ba? Ito. Ilalabas ko lang ulit. Ito yung pangalawang triangle na mas malaki. Ayan. Kasi ito 32 siya dito. 32 feet. This is a Y. Ayan. So ito yung pangalawa. Para silang 90 degrees right triangle. Ayan. So, ayan. Balikan natin yung concept ng, para magkaroon tayo ng equation dito, balikan natin yung concept ng similar triangles, di ba? So, pagbabalikan natin yun, pwede tayo makabuo ng equation na Y, itong Y over yung given na 32, is equal to yung 6 over yung x, no? Ayan. Tapos to simplify, pwede natin ilipat dito yung 32, no? So y is equal to, tama ba? Ayun. Tama pa naman yung sinagawa ko. 6 divided by x. Ayan. Whereas, pwede natin sabihin y is equal to, pag pinag-times natin to, wait lang, calculator ko lang. Ayan. So this one is 192. 192 divided by x. Ayan. Then, meron na tayong formula or equation na pwedeng paglaruan. From here, pwede na natin tong i-differentiate both sides with respect to time. Ang gagawin ko dito para mas madali na lang siguro, itong x ilalagay ko sa taas. So, pwede natin siyang i-rewrite into something like y is equal to 192x, ano ba pag itinaas? Ayan, raised to minus 1 or negative 1. Alright? And then, ito na i-differentiate natin. So, paano ba natin ito i-differentiate? Ano lang naman to? With respect to time, so pwede siyang maging dy over dt. Ito yan, ito. Is equal to power rule. 192, ibaba natin to, diba? So, times minus 1 or negative 1, times yung x minus 1, then babawasan pa natin ng isa. So, minus 1 ulit. dx over dt. Ayan, no? So, let's simplify it further. Dy over dt is equal to negative, no? Negative 192 na siya. Tapos, x minus 2. Ayan, no? Raised to negative 2. Tapos, dx over dt. Ayan. Ito na ba? Wait lang, pwede ko pa itong i-finalize further. Is equal to negative 192 x, mali, nasa baba na yon, so magiging siyang x squared, binaba ko na siya tapos dx over dt. Then from here, I do believe pwede na natin siyang i-substitute. Kung naalala nyo kanina, yung x, ito yung x kanina, no? Na super obvious naman na 32 minus 16, 16. So paano ba to? Sulat ko na lang dito, no? X is equal to 32 minus 16, so x is equal to 16 feet din. Ayan, no, ito siya, ito, ayan. So, ano pa bang, itong dx over dt, binigay na to kanina. Ito yung paglakad niya towards the building na 6 feet per second. Sulat ko na nga lang dito, dx over dt, binigay din kanina. yung 6 feet per second. Yung paglalakad niya towards the building, yung rate niya pag ganun kanina binigay naman, 6 feet per second. So titingnan nyo, meron na tayong value nito, may value din na tayo nito. So direct substitution na lang ito guys, no? So is equal to negative 192 times, ano ba yung x natin kanina? 16 square, tapos meron pa to, yung dx over dt natin na 6. Ayan. So dy over dt natin, or yung hinahanap na rate, find the rate at which the length of his shadow is changing. Ayan. So ang sagot is, wait lang, calculator ko na lang to. Ayan guys, no? So ang sagot is negative 4.5. I think it's also feet per second. Negative yung sagot natin kasi lumiliit yung shadow niya. Ibig sabihin nagdi-decrease yung size habang lumalapit siya, lumiliit yung shadow niya. Yun lang ibig sabihin nun. Kaya negative 4.5 feet per second ang sagot natin. Ayun, sana may natutunan kayo and follow for more. Thank you for watching.